Comparison operators play an important role in programming. For example, when we'll want to check whether a certain smartphone is in stock or whether the car A is faster than car B. And in this type of situation, we should verify whether the variable indicating the smartphone model or the car speed is equivalent with the searched value. Amongst comparison operators, we can distinguish the equality, inequality, less than or equal, greater than or equal, and instance of, which concerns object types, so we can't use it in the context of simple types. For example, we can test if the inscription ABC is of type string. We declared and initiate two int variables. We then tested the condition is x smaller than y, and we tested if x is equal to y, displaying the result in each line. Since x is bigger than y and different from y, we got two false results in both cases. Verifying the object type by using instance of can be a little less clear, because we haven't talked about defining our own classes. For the moment, you just need to remember that string is a special type which represents a class, and is written with a capital letter. Since ABC is in fact a string, then we'll get the result true. The operator instance of functions only for object types, so we can't write 5 instance of int, as int isn't an object type but a simple variable type.